Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this week tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a cute coloring page in just 1 minute. Okay, let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT, and then next just go to menu, and then choose images like this, and then on this style sections, just choose the create a coloring page like this, and then next just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo directly from your camera. And then in here I will just use photo from my gallery, and then I will just upload this one, and then just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, in just a few moments ChatGPT will turn from your photo into a coloring page like this. It's ready to print or color digitally. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.